Hello YouTube, this is Don from His Scribe, and I'm here with the small Dollar Tree haul. And this is actually for a couple of weeks. Just hadn't had a chance to do a video, but thank you for stopping by. Thank you for checking out my channel. And I just have a little haul just to share with you in case you're looking for some Dollar Tree items, and I usually try to post them always before my video. So that's a quicker way to find stuff, but on DaretoBeCreative one. So this is just a paper towel holder, and I just got this just so I can keep my paper towels on it in my room, because I'm always just grabbing a roll of paper towels, but I don't have it on the thing, so I just got one of those. I picked up 2 more of the hardware storage cases, because they always are helpful to storage things. And of course these come with 2, 4, 5, 6 small and 2 large, 1 medium, like compartment that you can store things in. Beads are great to store in here, you know, grommets, brads, just different little pieces like that you want to use. Earring pieces, all different sort of things that you can put in there, and even bigger stuff. I did pick up these some more. I showed these before, but I ended up picking up 2 more packs of these silica gel. It did say, I googled and said that they were, you know, safe to use in food storage as well. You can't eat it, of course, but it can take away some of the water. I really want to get into canning. I know I mentioned on his channel before that I got my grandson growing some plants, and I'm so excited to say his tomatoes are budding. We didn't get to plant them initially right away, so we waited a couple of weeks because of the weather, and then he was gone. But anyway, so we planted them. He's got some tomatoes budding, which the tomatoes came from my co-worker. She shared some budding tomato plants, so he just took care of those, and we potted those into 5 gallons, and they are growing strong. We got one of them is already budding. My tomatoes green, so he's excited, and then the peas are growing nicely. Of course, peas are easy to grow, just like watermelons are, but it's just to maintain them. That's the biggest part. And so the peas are coming up, the radishes are coming up, and squash, and what else he's got? Tomatoes. We got a few herbs. We got, oh yeah, we got peppers, and we got thyme, and the cilantro didn't come up, and neither did the, well, a little teeny one of basil, but I don't know if the basil is going to make it. But anyway, that's what we got growing, so I'm excited to say that is working. And we did label all the plants, but I did get some more of these just to decorate. I saw Felicia from Bible Scrap. She had decorated these a long time ago, but anyway, so I got some of those initially when she did it, but I just got some more just to keep in case I want to decorate those. Plus, also, we just decided to do plants with them. We have that as well. I bought me some more of the Archie roller pens. I just like thick ink. I do. It's 0.7. They don't last long, but they're nice when they do work. And when I mean last long, they don't, like, you know, some pens you can last like a year. I haven't had any of these last that long. Just a few months. But I like the flow of the ink and the darkness of the ink. And they write easy. They just, like I said, don't last long. And then I got some of these rub-ons. I just got these because it was the colors I thought were nice. Fun colors. So I got these plants, and again, these can go on any kind of page or mixed media art. My scripture writing that I do on my other channel, I thought these can go in the background on that. And this one says, these are like a boho kind of a feel. Be brave, stay wild, welcome to our tribe, follow your dreams, boho, all good things are wild and free, be brave. I don't know about everything that's wild and free is good. But anyway, these are more rub-ons. It says Thankful Pantry, Seeds, Farm Life. So it's got that, you know, farmhouse charm kind of a stuff right here. And then we've got all of these, like, kind of like borders, but they're just, you know, different prints, tribal kind of prints. It looks like, you know, you can use these as backgrounds or any kind of like mixed media stuff just to give it some dimension. And then these, just some more of these words, you know, hugs, I love mom, love, laughter, joy, family, life, life begins at home, blessings, best times, XO, faith, forgiveness, hope, sweet, we love, forever, life. And I have this already, but I just got a duplicate of that. So I got those. And then I picked these up. I don't think I may have this, I don't remember like the dark pink. I just remember the soft pink. I don't remember this bright orange. I remember the soft orange. I don't know. And the green and the blue. I have these colors, but I kept thinking it would pass like lighter, and these look more like neon-y. Neon-y. New word, neon-y. They look more neon-y. But I bet you when I go in my closet and look, they're gonna be the same colors. But for some reason, they were like, they're darker, they're bolder, they're more like vibrant. My other ones are more pastel. So I got them. But if I'm wrong, is it gonna hurt me? It won't be the first time. Well, unfortunately. Purchases. And then I did pick up this material. It's like it's got like a cheetah print, like a, you know, I don't know. I just like the material, the color. I don't know what it'll make with it. Who knows? But I did get it. And then I picked up, I showed these. They had a whole bunch of Juneteenth stuff. And I just love the color combination on this. It's just so great. But if you're looking for, if you're having a party for Juneteenth, they have the napkins, the plates, the cups, and the yard signs, and the banners, and even a head wrap, like a headband. But I thought these would be so great because I made some last year. I didn't even show them though. Actually, I made, not this year, but last year, I made some iCads, and I used a napkin on it. Actually, I used red, black, and green napkins separately, and I cut them up and put them on some iCads. My video got corrupted, and I never did my video over. So maybe I'll do them over for Black History Month or Juneteenth, whatever. But I thought this would be great for that background. In case you don't know what Juneteenth is, it was after emancipation was made. You know, a lot of states didn't obey it, and so this was considered, even though technically there's still states that went beyond this, but the Juneteenth is a celebration of when the last known states decided to concede and actually obey the Emancipation Proclamation, which was like 2 years later. So anyway, that's the Juneteenth celebration, in case you didn't know what that is. So that's considered like the 4th of July. Anyway, so I love that color combination. I just thought this would be nice for a mixed media background. Look at those, the colors all vibrant. So it's like that's already, the work is already done. Boom. So that's why I got those. And I got 2 packs just in case they run out. And I got these. I just like these little trays. They're flimsy. They're not sturdy, like super sturdy. You know, I mean, they have some sturdiness to them, but I like this. You know, you can put stuff in here. These are too big, but I'm just saying you can put stuff in here and stack them. And yeah. And it doesn't have to be this, but just anything. So I did get that, and I believe that is all of my Dollar Tree haul. And so I want to say thank you so much for taking the time to stop by, liking and watching my channel, and I hope you beautiful people are having a wonderful day and getting some beautiful weather and enjoying some time for yourself. So anyway, I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.